Hello, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming to you today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 6-8 Woodbine Street, Unit 6-3. Also for mailing, you could use 6 Woodbine Street, Unit 3. It might just make it easier for the post office, but if you look at the deed, the official address for this place is 6-8 Woodbine Street, and that's because it's a duplex, or not a duplex, but it's a halved building. So on one side is 8 Woodbine Street, and on another side is 6 Woodbine Street. And then on the 6 Woodbine Street side, this is the 3rd floor. But this is the place. I'm going to be going around and trying to give you the best idea of the size and dimensions as I can from the video. And one thing that's pretty clear as soon as you come in is the high ceilings in this place. So this is on the 3rd floor, and the ceilings are all extended kind of up to the roof level. So you've got this overhang above where the entrance is, and then you just have the all the space that comes with that. And it really does a lot to make this living room look really big. And the bedrooms are really nicely sized too. And they did leave, the last tenants did leave a window unit. So the AC is not actually included in this place, but you're more than welcome to use the unit that was left behind. And then if you have your own window ACs, those can be used too. And you've got hardwood floors here in the living room, and then those floors go throughout the hallway. And then in the bedrooms we have carpets, and in the bathrooms there's tile down. Or actually, no, it's vinyl planks in the bathroom. And then coming over here, looking at the kitchen, it's a very nice kitchen. There's the full set of appliances with the fridge, dishwasher, double bin sink with the spray nozzle, and the 4-top electric stove with the over-the-range hood, and all these cabinets that are in really great condition as well. And it's like a rock style countertop, which really pulls the whole thing together, and plenty of outlets. I'm counting 4 just on the wall above the cabinet, and that's 4 outlet plates, so in total it's like 8 outlets. And that looks all really nice. And another thing that's maybe my favorite about the kitchen is that it's got this overlook of kind of Worcester, and definitely like a really area with a lot of mix of trees and other places. It's really nice when you're up on the 3rd floor here just doing some work in the kitchen. And over here, this one goes out to the back. So it's a 3rd floor. The front has a hallway, but the back one goes up through this fire escape. And there's a parking lot in the back, and then there's also plenty of parking on the street too. This is Woodbine Street, so we're really close to Clark University. And if you're familiar with the area, you'll have seen everything on the ground. As far as like that's already set up for the street parking. Coming in through here, this is the first. So this is the first bedroom. And the first bedroom is probably the second biggest. It might be the very biggest. I'll double check, but you got the other 2 bedrooms there that are similar size, and that also have these like sliding glass mirror doors for the closets, and very spacious closets too. And you see you got the carpets in this room. All these rooms with the carpets have been fully steam cleaned. So they came in here with the steam vacuum and got everything in great condition again. And the paint on these walls looks really nice too. It's definitely big enough for like either a king or a queen size bed and a desk/dresser setup. And I would say that as far as the size of the other 2 rooms, that probably applies as well. And coming down here through the hallway, we can take a look at this first bathroom. So it's very standard half bath, just enough for the sink and the toilet. So if one person's using one, you have the other one right there. And this is the full bath. This one comes with the shower, and shower tub's in nice condition too. It's got a couple fixtures on the wall to help hang stuff with the shower. And you got these 3 big mirror plates over here too. And this is the corner of the hallway. It's a little closet right here. And then you got the 2 other bedrooms on this side and that side. So let's take a look at this one. This is going to be the small. This is bedroom number 2. It's going to be the smallest out of the other ones, and it's even a lot bigger than a lot of other Worcester 3-decker apartments that we see. So it's nice space in here. It's definitely big enough also for like the queen bed, queen/king size bed, depends what you get to fit through the door, and the desk/dresser setup. And you'll notice that this, like the other bedrooms, has this little cutout here. So they all have these little cutouts near the window. The other ones have like, what's it called? Some kind of built-in shelves that they have too. But this one doesn't really have built-in shelves. It just has that little place. But it does help to bring the light in a little bit. And it's got nice spacing for the closet too. And it's got a light for the closet. Then coming back here, we can take a look at the last room. And this might be the biggest one. Taking a look at this one versus the one on the other side by the living room, that one might be bigger, but this is pretty similar. Nice quality of the paint finishes. Rooms got painted, this room, and the steam clean of the carpet too. And there's a little alcove here. I just think this part is a little bit bigger on this room. And when I mentioned the skylight before, that is actually a skylight. I was looking for the light switch for it, but nope, it's a skylight. And if you have any questions, please go to our website at nexuswor.com, and you can go to our for rent/vacancies page. That will have the full list of all of our vacancies, and there will be an option on each one to reach out to a leasing agent if you have any questions. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester, 6-8 Woodbine Street, apartment 6-3.